Do male and female skin differ? Skin in both males and females have the same role and function: to serve as a protective barrier against environmental stressors, UV radiation, and microorganisms, to prevent moisture loss, to regulate temperature, etc. But many have asked me this: is there a difference between skin of a man and woman? If so, do these differences matter? That's what this video is going to be about. To those of you who are new to my channel, I am Dr. Gaile Robredo-Vitas, a board-certified dermatologist. I try to post one video a week on skin and skincare, and if these are topics that interest you, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel. In general, there are several factors that influence the skin, making each one unique: ethnicity, genetics, one's environment and lifestyle, and of course, sex hormones. There are gender-related differences in anatomy, physiology, and disease manifestation, and a deeper understanding of these will help in the prevention, identification, and management of skin conditions. In a literature review of 57 studies published in the International Journal of Women's Dermatology in September 2018 entitled Male versus Female Skin: What Dermatologists and Cosmeticians Should Know, the authors mentioned a few skin characteristics that differ among men and women. The first characteristic mentioned was hydration, which actually had conflicting results. A German study published in 2013 concluded that young men had higher levels of hydration than women. However, in a similar study by Li et al. In 2014 in China, found female skin to be significantly more hydrated than their male participants. In my opinion, hydration might be greatly influenced by other factors such as genetic background, environment, and habits than gender. Next is transepidermal water loss, or TEWL, which is the amount of water lost to the environment via evaporation through the skin. It is an objective measurement used in assessing skin barrier function. Earlier studies reported no significant difference between males and females. However, in that same German study published in 2013, done on participants less than 50 years old, transepidermal water loss in men was significantly lower than women. This would imply that women's skin tend to get more dehydrated than men. Third characteristic is sebum production. Studies done in 1991 and 2005 reported equal sebum production in skin of males and females. However, a study in 2012 by Gaile et al. Found that male subjects produce more sebum than females in all parts of the face except the forehead. The 2013 German study demonstrated that sebum production decreased in women as they aged, but remained relatively stable in men. Also, Bocci and Strauss in 1974 reported that men had higher sebum production and large pore size, reinforced by a Korean study in 2006 that found a positive correlation between male sex, pore size, and sebum production. In my opinion, the male hormone testosterone plays a big role. Fourth is skin thickness. A study that compared epidermal thickness between men and women based on optical coherent tomographic imaging showed no significant difference between the two sexes. The dermis of men, however, were noted to be 10 to 20% thicker than that of women. It was also noted that men lose collagen at a constant rate starting at the age of 20, whereas women start later and lose less collagen, but once they hit menopause, women lose collagen at a faster rate than men. Fifth is skin elasticity. The two studies mentioned in the review noted no statistical significant difference in skin elasticity between men and women, except in the skin on the abdomen, where women had higher skin elasticity. And lastly, we have wrinkles. In a 2013 Japanese study by Tsukahara et al., it was reported that men had more wrinkles than women, except those aged 65 to 75, wherein women had more wrinkles in the forehead than men. Now, apart from those mentioned, another major difference in men's skin is the presence of facial hair. And men who shave their faces often and incorrectly can cause irritation, cuts, and even ingrown hairs. To avoid these, I recommend using shaving creams, use sharp razor, and to not shave against the direction of hair growth. Application of a skin barrier cream after can also help. In summary, in my opinion, these differences in skin characteristics, though good to know, are helpful in understanding why skin reacts in a certain way and may influence what skincare products to use, are not the only factors to consider. It is equally important to consider individual skin characteristics and issues, ethnicity, environmental exposures, one's habits, lifestyle, and preferences, rather than basing one's product and treatment choices solely on being male or female. I hope that clears that up and answers the question, is there a difference between skin of men and women? But if there's anything else you want to ask, share, or add, please do so in the comment section. And also, if you like my video, please do click the like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!